loves, welcome to the TheSparkleZBoutique. Today I am coming to you showing you how I style my bar cart. Now this bar cart started off as an entertainment system or a TV stand, and I converted it to a bar cart. I will leave a link down below to that video showing you how I did that. If you want to see how I style my bar cart, you know what you got to do. Keep watching.
Shine bright like a diamond.
And of course, you want to make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And then they have the options for you to set how you want to be notified about my channel. You can click all or occasional, but of course you want to know about all the fun on my channel. So click the all, including my creator post, and click the OK button and you're all set. Thank you for subscribing. First, I'm going to start off by hanging this smoke gray crystal beaded curtain that I purchased from shopwildthings.com. If they still have it, I will leave a link down below. I hung it from the ceiling by the hooks, and I just put it there so it can separate in that little section from the rest of the living room, make it look like a separate bar area. Okay, now I'm taking some mirrors from the Dollar Tree, and I am adding them to the top of the bar cart one by one. Now I could have used a foam board and made it a placemat, but I decided to do it individually because I didn't know later on if I was going to get one solid piece. So for now, for temporarily, I am going to use these individual mirrors to give the illusion that it's one piece. Now I'm adding this liquor bottle dispenser. I got it from the thrift store for an unbelievable price. It's $8. Normally they're $80 a piece. And now I'm adding my wall decor that I purchased from TJ Maxx, and it has a nice little cute little Chanel lipstick champagne little saying on it. I really like the contrast from the gray and the gold. And after I add these liquor bottles to the liquor bottle dispenser, there's no alcohol in it. Now I'm just using it for decoration. I'm adding this blinged out Lazy Susan. Going to be adding some mock decorative items. Of course, if I was really having a party, I would have liquor in the bottles, and I would take the champagne bottle that I have in this candle holder. I'm using it as a champagne holder, and I'm adding some beautiful wine glasses that I purchased from Home Goods that has the gold chain wrapped around it. And of course, you need a cocktail shaker. And I'm taking time to make sure that I style it and don't make it too crowded, but like enough space so that if someone needed to grab a drink, they can. And of course, you need all the tools, the scooper, the thing to drain the drinks, you know, all the tools you need to make a drink. Okay, now I am putting all my extra glasses on the second row, because you never know the different things that you want to make. Those glasses that I'm putting there now, I got from Home Goods. They actually got drink recipes on the glass. And those wine glasses I just added came from the thrift store, and they were 25 cents a piece. So don't be afraid to go to the thrift store and find some great finds that are inexpensive and they still look like a luxury item. And here I got some more of those gold diamond chain glasses, but this time they're martini glasses instead of the wine glasses. I'm going to be adding more of those mirrors from the Dollar Tree on this bottom shelf, doing it the exact same way that I did the top shelf, and then I would be adding more bar essentials to this bottom row. I'm going to be adding this ice bucket or ice bowl. You can just use it for ice. You can put ice in it and add wine bottles, wine coolers, beers, or plain on water. Whatever you want to do to make your bar area your own. And now I added this gold rhinestone pineapple that I got from Tuesday Morning a while back. And I like to have that pineapple up there because pineapple represents welcome. And here is the end result with this bar cart. I hope you love it. I really like the way that this turned out. If you want to see more videos like this, or if you like this video, make sure you thumbs it up and let me know exactly what you think. And let me know if I'm missing anything that needs to be on the bar cart. So when I do it again, I'll make sure that I have those items to make my bar cart that much more special. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. And as always, be your own kind of beautiful because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.